Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best compact router that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Bosch Colt electronic variable speed palm rotor. Bosch has successfully combined precision and power in this handy tool. It delivers versatility as well as its 1.0 HP and 5.6 amps of motor can handle a variety of tasks. Get the most out of its versatility with its variable speed setting of 16,000 to 35,000 RPM. Simply change the variable speed dial found at the top of the tool if you want to change the setting. It might be a compact tool, but no way does it skimp on features. At the top of the features is its constant response circuitry that ensures users get consistent speed settings. It automatically determines how heavy the load is in order to determine the best speed setting that will work. It has a soft start function as well to reduce jarring when set at a high torque at startup. Moving on, at number 4 we have the DeWalt DWP611 variable speed compact router. With a slightly more powerful 1/4 HP motor, this might be a better choice for tougher jobs compared to the previous one. The difference in power might be negligible to hobbyists, but professionals might find this a better performing tool. Get the right speed setting as it can be adjusted to work within the 16,000 to 27,000 RPM speed. With only 4.1 lbs of weight, it is a compact and lightweight too that you should find easy to bring from one workstation to another. It also comes complete with the basic functions in compact routers you can find in others, such as a soft start feature and an adjustment ring. It does have a clear base as well as integrated dual LEDs for optimum visibility. At number 3, we have the Makita RT0701 compact router. A compact router with the same power as the previous one is this one from Makita. You can expect the same performance and still enjoy a compact design that is easy to transport and use. It accommodates a variety of applications, as you can change its variable speed dial. It can go as slow as 10,000 RPM to as high as 30,000 RPM. Find the right speed that will match its intended application. With its electronic speed control, you can be assured that this handy tool will maintain just the right speed no matter what the load is, so you can get the most consistent results. This tool features double insulation, so no dirt can get inside it. The motor housing is made from aluminum material, making this resistant to all sorts of damages. Weighing only 3.9 lbs, it is hard to top its lightweight benefits. At number 2, we have the Enertwist variable speed soft start palm router kit. About half the price of the previous models, this one from a relatively unknown brand is a sterling choice for budget-conscious woodworkers and hobbyists. With its 1.25 HP, it can still deliver a lot of power. Its 10,000 to 32,000 RPM also gets a multitude of applications done. The motor housing is made from a heavy-duty cast aluminum material in order to withstand the damage that is inflicted through daily use. One thing that you can find this compact router that you can't find in others is its overload stalling protection feature. It can meet even the toughest woodworking demands thanks to its comparatively powerful motor. For a compact router with a sturdy build and loaded with features, it is cheaper. It can be a great entry-level compact router for beginners or for hobbyists out there. You can find a lot of basic features in here, such as soft start motor, variable speed setting, and electric constant response. All these things contribute to its easy operations. The overload protection comes handy as it prevents the unit from stalling. It also prevents it from burning. And finally, at number 1, we have the Makita XTR1Z brushless cordless compact router. Aside from the fact that it is portable with its cordless function, this unit also boasts of a slim design. It has an ergonomic shape that makes it easier to grip and maneuver on your work table. The rubberized grip comes handy when your hands are sweaty. You can see your work area easily thanks to its integrated dual LED lights. You can work even in low light conditions. The aluminum housing makes this resistant to impact and external damages. A lot of users commend its versatility. They were able to use this to do the work of a bigger router and did not have issues with it at all. It comes with a dust collector attachment, and many users said it actually worked well. There have been routers before with dust collector systems that did not really work. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.